we were sick the next morning, and my youngest son was a lot sicker than myself and my oldest son, and he continued to be sick for about 4 days until they removed him off the ship in Cozumel, where he had to have emergency surgery. The older son and myself tried the dish that the youngest son had ordered. We just took a little piece, like a forkful, and so we weren't as ill the next morning, but he was quite ill because he ate the whole dish. He had to have emergency abdominal surgery is because of the convulsions of the food poisoning. His bowel twisted, so they had to go in and remove a portion of the bowel where the twist was and reconnect, and of course that's internal, and he's got a scar that is about 12 to 13 inches on his abdomen going straight from the belly button down. We were trying to find answers because we contacted the cruise line and asked them what they were going to do for us. We were thinking, okay, our son's good, he's had surgery, he's recuperating, everything's good. But because he got food poisoning on the ship, maybe the cruise line would compensate us for something. You know, we were thinking, just replace our cruise and let us have another family cruise. They just were very rude on us on the phone and upset my wife greatly. So she said, find a lawyer and find out what we can do. So I found Sean on the internet, and he has a video on there that was very telling and very clear. And that's what enticed me to reach out and talk to Sean. Sean's handling of our case, because we're Canadian and we're 4,000 miles away from where the cruise line's head office is, trying to get anything from the cruise line was impossible from our point. So we, talking with Sean, he handled that, and because the oldest son and myself weren't really affected too bad by the food poisoning, the judge deemed that it was probably best that we drop off the claim. So my youngest son carried the claim on, and Sean worked with him, being 24 and 25 and not understanding all the legal things. Sean did a phenomenal job educating him on what's going on and how things are to handle, and when settlement came, how to handle that money, where to put it, and what to do with it. Sean was very instrumental in helping my son determine what he needed to do.